Hello everyone, my name is D.H.S, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY scope for your blaster. So first, you just need four things. Just the first thing you need is your blaster. Then you just need scissors. You need toilet paper roll, and then you need tape. Any tape can work. That's really sticking. So first, you want to do is you have to decide where you want to put your scope. So I like to keep I don't like to keep it too far forward or too far back. I like to keep it around the center. And then once you got that, you just need to get your tape, and you need to put it around the area. So you can ask someone if you need help holding your gun if it's big, like mine. So I'll see you after I tape it down.